Visiškai nesvarbu. O kaip įdomu šiaip? Pažiūrėsim, kaip tu sakysi. Galėtų tai išmokau, niekada. Žodžiu, sakysi.
Socialinių situacijų pakreipimas, kad tau jūs dirbtų. Kad tu sugebėtum. Toliau, patinka tavo stilius. Jei patinka, kaip tu atrodai. Tarasme, kuo didesnė amplitudė moteris tave nužymnėja, tuo reiškia, vėl, kad įsidaug, čia yra vidinė šis fizika, petis, jėga veikinti. Pagauni?
Insidinė, ne šitas?
Taip, insidinė, taip. Outside.
Mašina neplauta.
So congratulations, Darius, you accomplished the first Alphaman training stage. Your results average 60%. And tell me about these trainings. It was difficult for you or not?
It was difficult, but now I can easily...
Sorry.
It was difficult, but now I can easily come up and to get a conversation with women which I really liked. Previously it seemed impossible.
So now if you see a woman walking down the street, 1, 2, yes, 2 is no problem now.
No, now it's not problem.
Because on third Alphaman training stage we will go through groups. So now you are able to approach 1 and 2 women and get conversation, get telephone number, yes?
Yes.
Okay. So how about your self-confidence, level of self-confidence? It is grown up or not?
My self-confidence grows considerably because I get theoretical knowledge about women's pickup. It's very important if you want
become successful.
Become successful women.
So this training is just about how to pick up women, or it is something more?
This trainings, the main thing in this training is women's pickup, but you can get knowledge about time management, nutrition, and fitness.
So why fitness is important?
Fitness increase your energy and increase your testosterone level in your body.
And it is the reason why you want to go and approach women.
Yeah.
And do you afraid anything now in life?
I'm not afraid anything now.
The main reason why guys come to these trainings are because after these trainings they become very self-confident, because knowledge gives self-confidence. Knowledge and practice is the best formula. So now we will go second alpha man training stage and third. Yes, second alpha man training, what is about?
It's about a date. Now we can easily to make a conversation with woman and get her phone number. At second training stage we will go in a restaurant
To a date. You will not know where we will go, because these dates will be very interesting for women. You will make it. So, okay, what about communication with other people? For example, with your friends. Yes, you passed first alpha man training stage and you got knowledge about communication with people. So, tell me about.
At this stage, I get important knowledge about communication with our friends and loved ones. Now I can easily communicate with everyone around me. It's very important if you want to be successful in your life.
Yes, because people says everything about you by your conversation skills. Because if you do not know how to communicate with them, you will not make influence to them. So, yes, what about talking with men? Yes. Can you easily make conversation with men? For example, you see a guy who is very looking good. You think he's making much money and you want to make friends with him. Can you do it?
Yeah, I can do it easily. First of all, I try to find his hobbies and then develop conversation about that.
Yes, guys, it's very important for your business. Success to future. I here in these trainings, I'm not just working on how to pick up girls. I'm working on how to communicate with other people. How you become really successful. You go to new environment and you see people. You can come, start conversation, talk, be interesting, and get their contacts, and so they will be a business card for your life. So, very thank you, Darius, and let's go to do third and second alpha man training session. So, bye.
See you next time.